What's up, YouTube? Tapping in to close out a wild and crazy week in the market, guys. What don't kill you make you stronger, man. We definitely did get through, but it definitely got painful seeing one of the worst crashes and sell-offs in stock market history on yesterday. And then again, today wasn't too much to write home about, but nevertheless, guys, we stuck it through. We made it through, and which means we get a chance to try to do it all again next week, guys. Listen, man, still want to celebrate you guys that managed to navigate and do your thing. I talked to many of you on today that still found ways and pockets of opportunity. I even found ways to still dominate on today despite the craziness, and that's the beautiful thing about this stock market. Okay, listen, with that being said, guys, I won't glaze over the fact that the crash that was like no other, even though it's been several, just the last 6 months, going back to November, it's just been crazy, guys. I'll be the first to let you guys know it's been a bumpy ride, okay? But that's some of the volatility that comes with being in the market, okay? And you have to factor all of that into the equation, which is why I often talk about the importance of getting in and getting out and not overstaying your welcome, just because even myself from day to day, you never know what they gonna do. You can have the charts down pat, you can have everything lined up to a T, and they can find a way to still make some irrational things happen in the market. But nevertheless, guys, I still see this as a beautiful game. I still had a decent day on today, and so I can't complain. I'm just gonna regroup and get ready for next week. With that being said, guys, with the stocks in general, okay, and with the market in general being down as low as it is, guys, it's time to go shopping. It's time to nibble. It's time to dollar cost average, okay? Now that's if you are a long-term investor, okay? If you are a long-term investor, it is time to DCA. It is time to dollar cost average in the stock that you think will be doing better this time next year, this time a year from now, this time 3 years from now, 5 years from now, so on and so forth. You build up now, okay? But listen, the catch is that you got to make sure you invest in quality, because there will be a lot of stocks and companies that don't make no money that will still get the beat down any chance they get, okay? We're going into a recession. I'll be honest, guys, we've been in a recession. It's just the news cycle is late to declare it as one, okay? Just look around you. Look all around you, okay? From the grocery stores to the gas pump to the sentiment in the market, everything, okay? It ain't no secret if you live on Main Street, okay? It's just Wall Street are always late to the party, as I say. They're a day late, dollar short with everything, okay? So it just almost don't become official until they declare it as such. But nevertheless, guys, y'all live in the real world. You guys know what you see and deal with on a daily basis. With that being said, though, guys, I couldn't help but to pick up VTI at 205, 204 on today, because I told you, when I see stocks that I know, like, and love, that I build my wealth in at the price levels that I like, I have to take advantage of it, guys. And again, I couldn't pass up that opportunity on a day. So I'm going to continue to DCA into all plays, all ETFs, all individual stocks that I foresee doing well long term, and more importantly, when they are at the price range and buy zone levels that I like, okay? And with that being said, I just wanted to put that on you guys. Now listen, guys, next week, it's gonna be crazy, man, okay? And so I need you to brace for it over the course of the weekend, all right? I need you to embrace what lies ahead, okay? Which means we're gonna have more choppiness. You're gonna have an up day, a down day, a horrible day, then maybe a day that makes up half of the previous day, okay? That's what I mean about the level of choppiness and the bumpy road that's ahead, okay? But have a game plan. Know what you want to accomplish during these times. Like I just kind of shared with you guys, VTI, I will continue to build this out if it's under 205 or below, 205, 204, 203. And if the market happens to sell off a little bit more and we touch 200, I'll buy more at 200, okay? And then I'll sit back. Once I feel satisfied with the way I've built out my position, I'll let that thing ride itself back up, okay? Listen, guys, everybody is feeling the pain. Nobody is exempt, okay? Right now is where you decide, are you going to stick it out or are you going to throw in the towel, okay? That's a decision that's totally up to you, okay? That is between you and you. But regardless, we all got a decision to make during these times, okay? I often say get excited. To me, they said that everybody is fleeing the stock market and everybody is running and quitting. And for the life of me, it just doesn't make sense. Like, why would we run when it's the time to be buying? Or we should be running. Why would we run away when we should be running to the market to buy these stocks up at low prices? Yep, they're going to keep going down, but that's why you invest money you don't need, money that you want a return on in the future, okay? So it just, the backwards nature of all of this baffles me. But nevertheless, guys, I'm gonna do what I do, okay? I gotta go and come out of this. I'm gonna try to make 10 million when it's all said and done off of this downtime right here, okay? That's how big I'm shooting for this, for the future. I don't got no expectations for right now, okay? Right now we do the work. Right now we build. Right now we buy low. Right now we dollar cost average. But when we come out of this, when that eventual inevitable bull rally returns, boom, I plan to have my feet all the way up, sitting pretty, okay? Listen, man, I won't hold you guys up. It's Friday. Go ahead and enjoy your weekend. Do me a favor, be safe. Get your mind right, get your A game together, because we will be back at it next week. Major salute to everybody that joined in the weekly options this past week. Way to get in and get out when you saw opportunities. As I say, and I'll keep honing in on the point, when you see profit, take profit, okay? These plays are not meant for you to just sit and do nothing when you're up, okay? Major salute to everybody that did their thing on the day. Everybody that sent me screenshots today, couldn't be more proud. You guys already know, man. When they sleep, we eat. When they panic, we pounce. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.